Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to cook garlic shrimp. This recipe only takes about 20 minutes to do. Start by getting yourself a pack of shrimp. You want to buy packs that says easy to peel. Give them a good rinse and we're going to start peeling. Please remember to throw away the peel before you sleep or else your house will smell so bad in the morning. And don't ask me how I know that. Next up, roughly chopped garlic. No need to be fancy and perfect over here. Put it aside and do the same thing with chilies. Grab yourself a chunk of butter. I don't know the measurements, just go by feel. You're gonna lay a clean towel down, dump those shrimpies in there, and lay it all flat on one side. Give them a pat to dry off, and we're gonna bring them over to the stove. Turn the heat to high, and we're gonna add olive oil. Once our pan is hot enough, we can start adding our shrimp. Sear them about 45 seconds and give them a good flip. Salt them to taste, but remember not to add too much because we're using salted butter here. After that, add garlics and chili. Let them know each other for about another 30 seconds and we're gonna add butter. At the end, give them a good splash of lemon juice and black pepper. Pair these beautiful shrimps with rice or pasta, up to you, and you got yourself a delicious meal for the night. The clear winner here is definitely the pasta. And I want to once again thank everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and if you liked the video, just like the video. And until next time, see ya!